also times where we come into homes and we see, knives and forks and, the cabinets when they should be in other places. Are there cabinets that are specially made to store certain items inside the house?
Yes.
Let's talk about that.
Yeah, there's 1,000 combinations of customization inside of a cabinet to make it fit the person's needs, right?
Okay.
So we have, for example, I have a client that's an avid baker,
Mhm.
and she's got her stand mixer, and she doesn't want it to sit on top of the countertop, that she has limited countertop space.
Okay.
So there's accessories that we can build cabinets around to hide these under the cabinet, and it's something she could lift up to use so that it's out of sight, and then when she needs it, boom, her
Yeah.
cabinet turns into a workstation.
Mhm.
So it could be something as specialized as that,
Okay.
or it can be opening a drawer that's empty at first, and then we help the client organize themselves and decide where her knife set's gonna go, where their utensils for that baking section go, and include accessories to kind of have them with function and purpose in the cabinets instead of spraying around the kitchen
Yeah.
and random bins.
Yeah.
So that's definitely something that a good cabinet maker and designer takes into account.